Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Calendar and finding the scheduled Meet event. This is where deletion begins. Click the event to open the details pane so you can see the Meet link and guest list. If you created the event, you'll have organizer controls. If not, you'll need the organizer to remove it. Once the details are visible, make sure you confirm the correct date and time before proceeding to avoid deleting the wrong meeting. Now choose the delete or cancel action inside the event. You'll see options to notify guests. Notify when it's necessary so attendees aren't left wondering. Uncheck if you deliberately don't want notifications. If this is a recurring meet, pick whether to delete just this occurrence or the entire series because that choice affects all future invites. Once you confirm, Google Calendar removes the Meet link and updates guest calendar. Finish by verifying the event is gone from your calendar and that guests received updates if you chose notifications. If the Meet link still appears, make sure there aren't duplicate events or joined conferencing entries in the same time slot. Edit history can reveal changes. If you lacked permission to delete, contact the organizer to remove it or ask them to transfer organizer rights. As a troubleshooting tip, refresh and clear cache. Then recheck edit history before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.